How to convert multiple images to one PDF file. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert multiple images into one single PDF without using any third-party software. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your file and select all the images you want to include in your PDF. You can do it just by holding down Ctrl and clicking on each image or simply selecting all of them with your mouse. Now, once you have selected all the images, you can simply right click on the selected images, and from the menu that pops up, you need to simply click on show more option, and after that you can simply click on print. And now a new window will pop up, and here under the printer section at the top, select Microsoft Print to PDF from the drop down list. And now under paper size, you can choose your preferred size, for example A4. And just below that, make sure to uncheck the box that says fit picture to frame, because this keeps your image to its original proportions. And when you are ready, you can just click on print, and after that a window will appear asking where to save your new PDF. So simply choose your desired location and give your file a name and click save. And that's it. Now your PDF is created with all your selected images in one single file. You can go ahead and check the folder where you have saved it, and your file should be there ready to share or print. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.